believed me. This is water and phenolphthalein. So, first of all, the bartender pours the guy a glass of water, although it's not just water, it has phenolphthalein. What phenolphthalein does is when it mixes with this sodium hydroxide, it changes the color to a purple. So notice just the phenolphthalein alone doesn't change it. When I add the sodium hydroxide, you see the change. Then it changes it to our purple or our wine color. After that, I add to the next container some sulfuric acid. As we'll talk about later on this year, acids and bases cancel each other out. And we can see that because I pour in the pink liquid and it changes to colorless. Now that I have an acid, acids react with baking soda to produce bubbles. So that's what we see here are the bubbles. Next up, I react it with barium hydroxide. And when barium hydroxide and this react, we end up with a solid. The reason why it looks like milk, ladies and gentlemen, is because in milk there are solids. That's why it has such a nice, smooth, creamy taste. The solids inside milk are the fat and the proteins. And then to finish it off, we just change the color of the phenolphthalein once more.
Can that go back to clear?
Can it go back to clear? Why, yes, it can. Almost there. Need a bit more acid. And there we go. And then if I let that settle, the barium hydroxide is a white solid which is going to settle onto the bottom. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the bar demonstration. The rest of the class is yours.